Guys, it's Adrian for Progression. In today's video, we're gonna go get some wheels for Jesse as well as go get them mounted. Rudy recently just sold the GTI to his brother Jesse, so it'll be interesting to see the new look that it has and kind of bring you guys along with us. So yes, sir. How you feeling, my boy?
Feeling good.
Yes, sir.
Get some RPF1.
Oh, hey, old habits die young, right?
Yeah. You put on maybe a few thousand miles on them. Lights, which are, 5-spoke, something similar, like 6-spoke, but they'll play the brakes better.
Oh yeah, my boy.
One-handed.
New man, new whip, baby.
This is easy.
Oh yeah, wait till we got the E36 back in here.
Make it clean.
It's gonna be looking nasty, bro.
You good?
Yeah, we're good. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Adrian and Rudy. We're about to go get the tires mounted for Jesse. Got them in the back seat. We're gonna bring you guys along, get them mounted today, and put on the GTI and kind of show you guys what it's gonna look like. So we just got the Cassidy tires. We're about to drop them off to get put on. Found out that there's no TPMS sensors. Never even heard of that, but just drop them off. All right, guys. So before we put on the new wheels, we wanted to give you guys a little walk around. We went with the Rotoforms. What kind of wheels were they with before?
These are Rotoforms.
Oh, you know what style? Or
RSEs.
RSEs. Now we're gonna go with some RPF ones. Just give you guys a little look around about what it looks like. Feel about letting go of the GTI?
Honestly, it's bittersweet, but my main interest is always starting a new build. So I got a blank canvas with the Audi, and I'm loving it as of right now, and it's starting to go pretty smooth. Got the pulleys coming up. I got a full maintenance on it, so we'll see what she makes.
Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what's in the works with Jesse. So we'll see what he ends up doing. I know he's gonna do full E85 with the turbo setup, so it'll be exciting to see how much power, and we'll bring you guys along that journey. Sheesh. You guys gotta make sure you guys come hit up Cassidy tires.
I don't want to go back to Jesse anymore.
How you feeling, bro?
Okay, now I don't want to.
You regret selling it or what?
Yes, sir.
Just pulled up to Rudy's house. Rudy just texted his brother to come get his first reaction. We're excited to see what he thinks, especially since he's going for a new look since he bought it from his brother. Big reveal, big reveal, big reveal. Ooh, yes sir.
Ooh, I seen that shit peeking.
Dude, the fitment's nasty.
Oh. Damn it, for real, it looks like a totally different car.
The dude at the shop was saying that he thinks this looks way better.
Yeah, dude, it looks wild.
Guys, so as you can tell, the GTI is looking a little dirty, so we're gonna run it over to the car wash And then from the car wash, we're probably gonna take a little pictures and some couple rollers, and we're gonna bring you guys along with.
Thank you for coming all the way to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed the 3 videos that we've put out. We've enjoyed making these videos and showing you what progression's all about, and it's just gonna get better because we have more content coming out, especially with the new video that's coming out, that it's gonna be Jeremy and Saul's car going at it, the POV of what Adrian and I see in just a regular basis when we go out with our friends.
And I know we've been talking about getting you guys the intro videos. We're definitely gonna be getting you those probably within the next 2-3 weeks. We're gonna do individual intros for everybody. If you wanna know who's on part of our crew, you can see the tags down below. You can look at the progression page or everybody's individual page. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Peace.